Whoa, whoa. Too many things I did think. Whoa, whoa. I never talk anything. Whoa, whoa. Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. This is another live stream. We are about heading into the New York session, and just a quick one. I posted, or rather I made a video when we had the initial setup for this chart. This is USD Canadian dollars, and yeah, the plan was, or rather in the video, or rather, what am I saying? Jesus. Well, the initial speculation we had here was a down movement, but we waited for confirmation on the break of this line here, if you guys remember in the video. But we, as you guys saw, we tested it, but we did not get any break, and as you can see, the market started trending back up. So the question now is, what do we do if the market continues to trend back up? Well, we don't have to do anything rather than to wait and see what the market wants to do. The market needs to show us what it wants to do. Remember, always know that the market is the boss. So what I do mostly this nowadays is I just wait for the market to show me its hands and show me, okay, see what I want to do, then we will, follow through based on what the market is telling us. And at any point in time the market feels like it wants to change the storyline, we will also obey by either closing our position or continuing with what we're doing, so yeah. But the reason why I'm back is, first of all, we are about entering the New York session, and as you guys can see, we have two news coming up. Well, immediately I saw this is around 1:30. Two news are coming up, one for Canadian dollars, one for US. And if you guys go to the economic calendar, I used the one on what do you call it, daily FX. Yeah, daily FX, right? So this is it. We have inflation for Canada, inflation rate. This news, normally news influences market, so it's either we are going to see a skyrocket or we are going to see a complete shutdown. And do you know the funny thing, the pair that we have here actually is US dollars, Canadian dollar. Is it not crazy? The two news that is coming up is Canadian and US, and for some reason the current pair we are looking at is still Canadian dollar US. Well, it's very risky to trade during news hour. It takes according to the pro traders, like the community I follow, which is true actually, because when we have news like this coming up, they influence the market movement a lot. And when I mean a lot, I'm not talking about small movement. I'm talking about, those times where you will see a very big candles in the market. Yeah, they are mainly, during news. Maybe there is, news coming up, and the result of that, news will drastically or heavily influence the market movement. So for amateur traders, it's not advised that you be trading during this period, especially this period that news is coming out. We have one coming out around, so you guys can see that's 1:30, and I'm on UTC +1, which is still West African time. So I'm looking forward to see if there's any other further news. I don't think there's further, but I think there is. If I should open the economic calendar, by 1:30 Canadian dollar in Canada, they'll be releasing news same time with United States. And those are the two heavy news we have. As you guys can see, they are depicted with red colors. Those are heavy news. This one is for Germany and Europe, but we are more focused on the dollar because the dollar is the foundation. So if the dollar is going up, know that every other currency pair, especially the ones that are in correlation, I don't disagree some things. Don't mind me. Especially the ones that I'm just making myself laugh here. Especially the ones that what do you call it? Especially the ones that are related to USD pairs. You get, so things like EUR, USD, GBP, USD, anything USD at all. Even the market, the whole market condition is, influenced by that. So that's what's up, guys. I'm looking at what Canadian dollars is doing. Sorry, I have to digress a bit. Remember, we are also here to take live trades if we see any. So pardon me if I get a bit off here and there. Yes, okay, we've been able to clear out this zone. This can still be a fake out, but we'll see. We just need to watch and see what the market is doing here. But I'm assuming I should be attacking the market aggressively. I'll be longing from here, and why I'll be longing is, one, the trend is a bull trend. I'll be longing from here, and I'll be putting my stop loss right below here. So I'll just remove this. I don't think I need these drawings anymore. I don't think I need this. So the bear movement here is already invalid, although we will bring out that level because that level is important. It's still important, just in case if we break this level here. I'll make it a solid line. So that level there, we'll be looking out for that level. This was the level that got broken here. It broke here, set a new high, came back down, coming back up. Did it break here? It did break there. Just very small moves. There is no much pressure on the upside. I think if the news should influence this market, I don't know. I think they would want to short it. I don't know. Just something in my heart is telling me maybe these guys, because this market can be very, very fishy and dicey sometimes. Sometimes it will induce. There's something they call inducement. So they will induce in the sense that market will show you signs that, oh, I want to go up. That's inducement. So it will induce a lot of people to enter long in the market. So the market might show sign that it wants to go up, then all of a sudden it plunges down. So we need to be careful of that also, especially now that we have news coming out, news coming up around the corner. So yeah, this is New York. We have New York session is opening right about now. So in 30 minutes time, we'll be expecting the news or the result of the news that is coming up here in one for Canada, one in US. Another thing I think I need to do, let me look at other currency pairs just in case if there is a very nice setup that looks more better than, oh, look at this setup. I did not see this. Look at this setup. You see, came down, tested, coming back down, broke this level. As you guys can see already, set a lower low here with a lower low with a lower high, another low with another lower high. This market is going down, like down. I can still even jump on it. At least I'm sure it's coming down to this level here. I don't want to FOMO in it, but assuming I saw this market on time, I will be entering around here and putting my stop loss here. But look at this. Now I think it might want to do this again. This kind of movement it did here. Remember, look at that movement. Curvy movement. So maybe something like this might still play out here. Boom. So if that means the other block should be somewhere here. Where did it break? It broke this level, broke this level, broke this level. Around this area, I don't know. But let's see. But if I'm to do anything on Euro USD, I'll be shorting it. Let me see. Let me look at it from a broader view. Well, will you be shorting it? Look at this imbalance here. I don't think I might, but let's see. There is some imbalance here, but it still is negligible. It's negligible because this is a very strong zone that it's entering here. Look at this this area here, and as you can see, it obeyed it pretty nice. Let me draw a line there. So this is the line there. As you guys can see, if we should go look at it, so this is a resistant point, so it doesn't make sense for you to be longing towards a resistant point. I don't know if that makes sense. It doesn't make sense for you to do that, so I won't advise anybody to do that. Don't do that. If you're entering a resistant point, always know that. Look at what happened here. This, you see this build up here, that's what affected this guy here, because the market came up to immediately started reaching this point here. You saw what it did. It started going down. So these are tendencies. It's not like it's 100% going to play out. See what I told you about this? I think it's going to touch this line. Yes, assuming I came to this market on time, I will be jumping on it. I think it's going to touch this point here, or at least somewhere close to it. Well, I'm just speculating. It's not like I am a wizard to see it coming, but yeah, just based on the strategy and based on what I'm seeing the market is doing here. The next level, this is the next target here, and if this is going to be a very strong zone for the market to break, but if the market decides to break all that level, the market will need a very good momentum to be able to break all this level, because there is a lot of build up. We have one here, we have one here, and we have a lot more here, this area here. Then maybe this should be the final target, and once it breaks this level, it's going to enter into another very long bear move on the downside. But let's see what the market does. The market seems like it wants to hold this level pretty strong, but let's see. Yeah, I'm forgetting something. The whole place is quiet, and I think what we're missing is music. Yeah, music. So let's play some music. Oh, I don't have enough bar. My system battery is soon off. But yeah. Mado, this one they wish me Merry Christmas by this time of the year. Mado. Well, it's just random music I'm playing. It's not like anything serious. So yeah, you see guys, we're coming down. I'm not in this market anyway. I just came live and I just saw this. As you guys saw it, I think If you followed me, you see when we, I think at this level, shut down. It needs to break this level. Yeah, it needs to stay below. Oh, it's going back up. It's invalidating that move again. It should close below. Well, did it close below? Yeah, arguably you can say it did. But yeah, we'll see how what the market does. But I'm still speculating at least this level. It should touch this level at least. This is Euro USD, British pounds. Let's see what's going on. British pound is found support here. Going back up. There's pressure entering here. They are trying to push the market up for these guys here. For dollar, let's see what the dollar looks like. Yeah, the dollar is regaining momentum back to the upside. If dollar is able to flip this level, that's a win for the bulls. For the ones that are long in dollar by now, at least this level. If you can close above this level, then we can look for other levels. Well, this is a very nice one. Came back, created this space, breaking here. The next level was here, broke it, tested back, going back up again, broke this level. Most likely might have another test or might break it down immediately, depending. Well, let's see what happens here. Well, I think I'm seeing a very nice trendy trends coming up here, so I can pull out my trend line and get this trend up. There is this word they call it. Let me get the name. It's in my head. I need to get it out. Liquidations. Yeah, the liquidity. Liquidity. That's the word. Yeah, liquidity is building up here. Come on, bro. Yeah, I got it. I was thinking I'm a very empty concom. When I mean empty concom, I mean, like, say that you're a dumb fellow. You get. We can speculate this too. But I'm not really a trend line guy. Before I was, maybe last week I was. Last week I was, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm still, depending on what I'm looking out for. So I'm trying to paint a picture here, and as you guys can see the picture I'm trying to paint here, this is a very, very important picture, which is also the same thing. It's still also the same thing, because remember when I said if we break this level, the next level here is, the next top should be here, which is the same thing with the trend line. If you can still see, it's the cohesion. It's not cohesion. Yeah. As you guys can see, the conflicts are still together, because if you are going to with the approach that is going to break this trend line here and start going up, this will be your first target at least. Then maybe this level second, then this should be the last. You get. Well, let's see. For gold is nice. Gold. Let's see what gold is doing here. I don't like what gold has been doing. A lot of weeks. The market is so untidy here. I'll not be trading gold. I like these positions. All this thing here is just noise. Although, yeah, if you look at it, you can tell this is you can say it's a channel, a downtrend. But imagine this is up and down, the up and down, the up, and it's too much, man. But well, wait. Somehow, if I look at it from this angle, it looks neat. I think I will look at it with this angle here. It looks neat now. I don't know if you guys noticed. Okay, yeah. So when I do this, it becomes so untidy. But if I should reduce, I don't know, do this, it looks a bit, neat now. I think I learned this one now. So look at the channel we are talking about. If you pay attention, we can see from this level the market came down, started ranging from this level here, later broke this level here, boom, came back up, tested it, break it again, tested the bottom side, got rejected, went back up again, came down to that level, broke it, got rejected. Man, crazy. So this is the bottom, tested it here, went back up, couldn't break the top, then from here it started going down. So if we should pick from here, maybe something of this nature. So this is the channel. In order not to act like we know that everything, we knew the market is going to go there, we can go with this level first, then move our guy. But as you guys can see, that's not the right alignment. So this is the perfect alignment we have here. So we can speculate this is the channel the market has been trading in. So if we should see any break out of this channel, then you see that we are coming up to this level here. Remember, all these things are speculations. We only have to speculate, then wait for the market to confirm our speculations, if I can say that. If it doesn't confirm it, forget it. Let's see if we broke this level. If we broke this level, that means we still have more pressure on the downside. You see? We're going down, bro. Or maybe it's trying to hold on, because look at this point was the point we broke it and closed below it. Now the market is coming back with this forceful sell off here. Well, we'll just have to wait and see, brothers. So this is the level we needed to break for us to speculate further down movement on gold. Not going to be so funny, but will be exciting, because that will be a lot of money to be made there. So if we should get our horizontal line out here, I hope my network is still working. It's not working anymore, as usual. It will not work again. Fucking hell. Providers, I wish they will all die. I wish they would just all die. Someone would want to, be good, but because of some circumstances you find yourself in, they just want to mess up with your vibes, bro. Brothers and sisters, they just want to mess up with your vibe. And for the guys in Nigeria, they know the network providers I'm talking about. That's why most times whenever I do live streaming, I get so frustrated sometimes, because I'll be doing my live stream, the next thing it's breaking, the next thing something is happening, all of a sudden YouTube will just stop the whole streaming, then I have to start all over again, then I'll start all over again, and it will still break. Oh man, this is, oh my god. Okay, we've seen some bounces saying bouncing. Wanna, man. Voila for you, Ato. Okay, so sorry guys for the ones that did not understand what I said. I'm just, catching crews, man. Sometimes this trading thing can be boring. You just have to sit down and be looking at charts. So you just have to create your own cruise, your own fun. You know that thing they say, if you're working, you just have to derive joy in that. So this is my own way of entertaining myself. I'm trying to see if there is any level of support or resistance that we will face further down. Let me go to the higher time frames. Okay, yeah, there is support there for gold. There is, and that level is a strong support. That was where you found support here to go. The next guy should be here, but this is an important level. But let's see what the market does. We'll just add this one also, just in case if the market breaks further down. Let's know the next level we should be looking at. So let's go back to our 5 minutes. So it pretty much makes sense why we are seeing this bouncing. Everyone has a man. So it pretty much makes sense because you see that level, you see that line, it was a perfect clean level chord. Came here, found support, went back up. So all we need to do is wait to see what the market does. But if the market breaks here, then maybe we'll be looking for this level for gold. But let's see what the market does first. We need the market to close below this line here, and not only close, we need it to close, give us a very good sign that says, yeah, I want to go further down. We will wait for it to get a retest, then we'll go further down. I can draw the path for you guys so you guys will understand. So there are two things that is going to happen at this level right now. Well, the market only does two things, so I don't even know why I'm saying it like it's going to do any other thing that is different from the two things. But well, yeah, the market can actually range. That's another thing. But for the most of it, what we would expect from this level right now is something like this, something like this. The market is coming down, right? We need it to come down, break this level, close below it, come back up, have a retest, then down we go. So we're having the market is pushing down. This is, let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see. I like using 1 minute to this inside the market. This is a very nice push down. The market has closed below it. If I'm using the 1 minute time frame, this should be the level I'm looking for the market to break, which already it broke. So at this point now you can short gold. Why am I not shorting gold? Well, I should be shorting gold by now, to be honest, frankly speaking. So you can short gold from now. But due to the fact that this is a very strong level, I want it to give a retest. But trust me, you can jump on the market and put your stop loss here. Right here. Let me show you. That would be a lot of stop loss though, but yeah, it's worth it. So if I'm going to use this guy, this should be our stop loss. That level there should be our stop loss. This level here should be our stop loss. Yeah, it should be our stop loss. But remember, we want the market close on 5 minutes because we use 5 minutes to trade. But on the 1 minute, we already have a break, right? Let's see if we are going to get a retest, then another break. Once we get another break, that will be it. I'll be jumping on it on the 1 minute. That's for gold. That's for gold. There. Yeah, the brought light. Let me plug my system. Then another thing we can also look out for is okay, initially we were looking at USD Canadian dollar. Let's see what's going on there. That was the first market we wanted to take. Oh, I think we are having a very nice sell-off from that top. Let's see. Are we going for the retest or are we going for all down? I think this is a fake out. I suspected this to be a fake out, but it can only be a fake out if we confirm it first. So let's see the confirmation. If it's not a fake out, then this market shouldn't break this level again. But if the market breaks that level, we'll be jumping on it. I'll be jumping on it to scalp it. To scalp it, guys. To scalp it. But if it doesn't, remember this is the level we want it to break. If it breaks this level, you will see me all the way down. I'll be running down to you. And if you ask me, I think we are coming down already. Just like I can see, it's not that visible, but you can see it on the 1 minute time frame. We are dropping down a little bit. I think I'll close my crypto for now. I think I'm good on the crypto. Let me just focus on the forex part of things. Let's go. Let's see. Come on, guys. Shut this thing down. Shut it down. This is we have 5 minutes to the news releasing of the news. 5 minutes. In 5 minutes time we will know how far. I wouldn't want to be talking while the stream is not working, and my network is really frustrating me. and I'm trying so hard to be cool.
Our Savior Christ and His Lady on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day.
Remember what I told you guys? Yeah. I told you it's gonna hit this level and it just did. Yeah. Well, assuming I jumped on it, it will be. It's not much though, but we're using higher leverage. So if you times this by maybe 100, that should be 6. That's 6%. 6% move down. So depending on whether you're using lot size and any of those. Yeah, I think another thing I need to find out is, so I'm using lot size. Sorry, I'm coming. Sorry, I'm eating. Why am I saying sorry that I'm eating? I beg you, look now, don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm eating. That doesn't mean I'm sorry about it. Because everybody, I need to eat now. All right. So, like I said, I think it's a fake out finally. Or maybe, oh my god, oh my goodness me, did you see that, guys? That's news. That's the news effect. That's the news effect. This is so sad. That's the news effect. Look at it. This is let me go to trading view. I don't know what I'm doing here. You see the news effect. Immediately this is 1:30. Immediately the news is coming out. Look at that. The news effect. And I wanted to trade to the direction of the market, but that's sad. We lost that one. That's the news effect. But I think the news effect is good for us. We let the news effect push it below this line. Trust me, I'll be jumping on this. I'll be jumping on it. Let's see if it's 1 minute. Did it break? It did not break on 1 minute. So sad. Okay. Okay, let me go to USD Canadian dollar. I think this is about looking interesting. Let's see if we can quickly scalp something out of it. This is 1 minute. We need it to close below this line. Then we'll jump on it and we'll be scalping it real quick. As you guys can see, it's still holding on that level. It's not breaking it. We'll keep on waiting for it to break it. If it breaks it, we are selling real quick, real quick. But it looks like it's holding that level very strong. This is our 5 minutes. On our 5 minutes, our stop loss should be around here. So we'll hold this to be our stop loss. That's the news effect. The news effect. That's why it's not advisable for the new traders. With lesser experience, to be trading during news hour. It's not good. We need it to close below this line and we will sell. It's risky. Don't try this at home. I'll be bringing my stop loss closer here. Once the market closes, bang, better than going down. But the market is holding on very well. It's holding that level very well. I think we are coming down. I don't want it to close on the line. If it closes on the line, we will leave it. If the market goes again, if the market goes further to our direction without us entering, no problem. But it's holding that level quite strong. We've not. That's not a break. We're still at the top. See gold, see gold. Oh. Follow your knees, oh hear the angel voices, oh night divine. Let's go. When the Christ was born. Easy, don't go down a lot now. I wouldn't want it to drop a lot of. If it drops it, I'll be putting my stop loss here then. I'm not ready to take a lot of risk area. But I think it's going to close. We are shorting. This is risky. Don't try this at home, guys. I'm putting my stop loss here just in case if the market decides to play a fast one on us. Let's secure that point. So this is the point where we either make it or break it. Let's come to the 5 minutes. Yeah, that's the level we have here. It's okay. Let's go back to 1 minute. Let's go. What's our profit area targets? Let's see. This is not good. We would want it to go further down. This level should be broken. If it's not broken, we are dropping. We'll be bringing down our stop loss further down. Let's see. 5 minutes. That's a lot. If the market start breaking this level, I wouldn't want it to start breaking this level, so I'll keep my stop loss here. I'm readjusting my stop loss. Easy, don't go there. 810 34810. Just in case if the market goes against us, it's a quick scalp. We wouldn't want to lose much, because the market is very volatile. Anything can happen. But I wouldn't want the market to face much resistance here. If once I see further resistance here, I'll be leaving. I'll be breaking even, or I'll just leave with little or no loss. But I think this level is okay. I'll just leave that level from there. If the market decides to go back. It's a risky game, brothers. Very risky game. The reason why is because look at this long drop here. It's finding it very, very hard to break this level here, which is not good. That's why we added our stop loss. We should even move our stop loss further down. I'm moving the stop loss further down. I don't want to lose much here. 34795. We needed to break this level to be more, to gain more confidence in the market. At this point, I think I want to add my take profits while the market is playing around there. Our stop loss is already secured. Okay. No, I will use 5 minutes, sorry. It's a clean cut from here. Oh, here. The market is finding it hard to break this level, which is not good. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. That blue line I drew there, that's why I even had to move my stop loss very close, because by now I expect the market to be going freely down. I want you guys to be hearing what I'm saying. So yeah, we are going back to the 1 minute. Now we've added our take profits. We are going back to the 1 minute to keep on scalping. So now we have a very good zone here. The market is going down. Let's add our stop loss here. We adjust our stop loss. Remember, we don't want, and you need to be fast. 34773. Adjust. For every level that is broken, we put our stop loss immediately at the close of that candle. If we have a complete build up here, we will move our stop loss maybe this level here, or due to I would want to grab every profit I can. I will not be moving it there, I'll be keeping it here. Come on now, let's go down, boys. We want to leave the market as quickly as possible. Okay, we are going down, so don't go up yet. 34673 673. Let's go. While we are moving our stop loss, as you guys can see, is just in case the market goes against us. Market is going further down. We have adjusted our stop loss. Come on. Let's go. 34643. We adjust our stop loss to that level in case if the market decides to go against us. Let's go, boys. I want it to hit our profit. I'll take profit, or we can close the market here. This level is we see some build up here. It breaks it. Fine. Beautiful. We come here and put our stop loss. Don't go back up yet. Be quick. 34602. 34602. Let's go. We have to scalp out this level. Also, we are reaching almost our take profit level. This is okay. Do you think we'd want to risk further down, or we can just take our profit here and move on? Let's just take our profit. No, we have our stop loss. We'll put our stop loss here. If it comes up to that level, we are okay with that level, right? Yeah, we're okay with that level. 34599. We don't want to be so greedy, because I think the market wants to go back up now. Let's use the time. It's 55, 56, 59. Okay, that's a very bull. Okay, we go further down. Okay, so we are going to move our stop loss here. That's what's up. We need to be fast. 569, 569. We are in 569. Let's go, boys. Even at this point, we are good. As you guys can see, that's how we do it. I don't want to feel so confident right now, but the kind of confidence I'm getting is becoming alarming, and I don't want to abuse it or jinx it. I hope my live stream is still on. It's so sad, you guys. I don't know if anybody is following me, but yeah, this is what's up. Let's go, boys. If you like what we are doing here, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel. What we do here, we basically follow strategies that we feel that is going to make up profitable in the market. We are still going down, which means we can even get more greedy and move our stop loss. Well, we'll just leave our stop loss here. It's okay. I wish it will hit our targets. I so much wish it will hit our target. But I know the market will face a couple of trouble here, and as you guys can see, the market is going back up. It's going back up to test our level. No, we're not going back up yet. Maybe. Okay, we are out of the market. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Pretty nice. Very nice. The market, I think the market wants to even go further down, but at this point we are good. There's no need to be greedy. So yeah, I don't know if anybody that joined me, did anybody join me on the live session? If you're there, you can maybe give us a like or say something in the chat or anything at all. So yeah, that's what's up, guys. USD Canadian dollars done and dusted. So I think I can call this a day. So I have a win in my crypto and I have a win in my forex today. That's 2 win overall. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, so let's see what the market is going to do going forward. But for now, we're good. Our initial target was here. We couldn't reach it. We just had to scalp, and we scalped up to this point here. And pretty much we are already out of the market. Remember, profit is profit, no matter how small. So that's what's up on USD Canadian dollar. So yeah, is that not quite interesting, guys? It's a fast tempo game. I don't know if you guys saw that. I think I need to stop this live stream because I wouldn't want it to be longer than this. It's like about 50 something minutes, so I'm going to end it here. Yeah. So but before I do that, remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel. This is what we do. This week has been fantastic, and I'm really enjoying it, and I pretty much hope you guys are following and see how I actually do these things. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll try to do another video. Maybe I might want to take another trade today, but the lesser trade the better. You know, if you're good with 3 trades and the 3 trades gives you profits, move on, leave it for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow you trade again. But yeah, that's what's up, guys. And if you guys like what we are doing, always remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and pretty much this is my adventure. This is my adventure into the world of full-time trading of forex market, crypto market, anything traded at all, anything that has to do with chart. And like I said, I believe in myself that once the chips is down and everything goes well, we will make it out of this trading, and time will come where we'll be doing the giveaways in this channel. And I believe the time will come, and I believe when that time comes, we would have built a community of huge, individuals, wonderful individuals that have the zeal and the mindset of becoming a full-time trader. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. I have to leave. Bye bye.